Hi, I'm Miss Corrie, and this is my son, Nathaniel, and we're going to demonstrate for you the commutative property. You ready? Okay, let's do it. Hey, as you can see, we're still the same two people. We've just switched places. Want to see it again? Okay, ready, son? So now, let's get into the commutative property. Meet you in the classroom. Hello, boys and girls. My name is Miss Corrie, and I'm here to help you stop the summer slide. I want to first thank your resident services coordinator, Barbara Waller, for inviting me to help you. Let's get started. Our commutative property. When you think of commutative property, I want you to think of order, because it really doesn't matter what order the numbers are in. You can add and multiply numbers in any order and you should get the same answer. Let's see if that works. 7 plus 3 should equal 3 plus 7. So, what is 7 plus 3? Right, 10. And what is 3 plus 7? It's also 10. So we know that this is our commutative property of addition. Let's see if the same thing works for multiplication. 6 times 2 should equal the same as 2 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12, and 2 times 6 is also 12. So, as you can tell, there is a root word in the word commutative, commute, which means simply to go back and forth. So we started with 7, added 3, and in this one we started with 3 and added 7. And we came up with the same numbers. Try some on your own. I'll talk to you later. Hi, we're about to play phase 10. So I'm going to distribute every person 10 cards. Come on, you should play with us. Now we're going to discuss the distributive property. There's only multiplication involved with the distributive property. You may see the root word distribute in distributive. That means to give the same amount that's on the outside of the parentheses to every number inside. Let's work out a problem. 4 times 3 plus 7. If I use the distributive property, I'm going to multiply 4 times 3 plus 4 times 7. I should get the same answer for this question that I would for this one. So let's work it out. 7 plus 3 is 10 times 4 is 40. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 4 times 7 is 28, and 12 plus 28 is also 40. Please don't forget to bring down your sign. Let's see, how do I want to situate these? The parrot, the bongo drums, and the Congo drummer, or the parrot and the bongo drums and the Congo drummer. Let's try this. You two are associated with each other, but you two are now associated with each other. But it doesn't really matter. Because the order never changed. I'll figure it out. The next property we will discuss is the associative property. The word I want you to think of when you think about the associative property is grouping, because that's what you do with addition and multiplication in order to associate numbers. So let's talk about it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 should equal 1 plus 2 plus 3. I didn't do anything different. So let's change it so that it looks like the associative property. For this one, I'm going to group 2 plus 3. And for this one, I'm going to group 1 plus 2. Let's see if we get the same answers. Because we have to start with order of operations, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. In this one, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is also 6. Hey, it worked. Let's use multiplication. 5 times 4 times 3 should equal 5 times 4 times 3. Again, they're the exact same. Let's associate some numbers. 5 times 4 and 4 times 3. 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60. 4 times 3 is 12, times 5, still 60. So when you think of associative property, the root word associate, which means someone or something connected to you. These are connected by parentheses, and in this problem, 4 and 3 are connected by parentheses. Don't forget your associative property. Oh, look at me. I'm so beautiful. It's just me. There is no one else in the mirror but me. And there's only one of me. Hi, Miss Curry. You're so beautiful. The identity property tells who you are. So when we talk about identity, think of yourself in a mirror. If you are in a mirror with no one else, you should only see you. If you are in a mirror by yourself, you really should only see you. So let's talk about the addition identity property. It says if I take any number, let's take 11, and add nothing to it, represented by 0, I should still get 11. In multiplication, if I take any number, 25, and multiply it by 1, I would still get 25. So go look at your beautiful selves in the mirror and see yourself. Your ID tells who you are.